Ginge. Ah.
Greetings. There's a distinct lack of Budgie stuff on YouTube, which is shocking, really. So I thought, because we're all bored and we're all indoors, I would do a few lockdown Budgie videos. So I'm not going to waffle on, I'm just going to go straight for it. This is Napoleon Bona intro. I play it for you, break it down, do the left hand, do the right hand. No, I'm not left-handed, the camera is reversed. Let's get it on. So you might have noticed my left hand, or my right hand as it's also known, there's quite a bit going on there. What I'm actually doing is, I don't know whether Tony played it like this, but I like to play the bass part with a pleck. But I find if I played the full thing with a pleck, these higher notes can overpower the bass part and make it quite harsh. So what I actually do is, as I said, I play the bass part with the pleck and I play the high part with my fingers, just because I can make it a lot softer and blend it in. That's how I play it. So as I said, it's in two parts. Let me break down the bass part first of all. So what you're going to do is 5th fret on the D string, 7th fret on the A string. Now what happens is the 5th fret note on the D string stays the same and your bass note is moving down a fret each time. So what you're getting is A, D, A. So that's 7, 5, 7. And what you're going to do is bring this bass note down each time. So 6th fret. Now when you bring it down again, it gets a little bit awkward because you've got to kind of cross over. I just cross over anyway and go 5, 5, 5. Then I wanted to go to the 4th fret. Obviously, unless you've got something freaky going on, you can't really cross over. So what at this point, get your 2nd finger on that 5th fret note on the D string and your 1st finger on the 4th fret. So you've gone awkward bit and then cross. Okay, so that's the bass part. So let's now have a look at what my middle finger and my ring finger are doing. What I'm actually doing there is I'm picking the open strings on the bottom. So I'm just going B and E. So I get my middle finger on the B string and my ring finger on the E string. And all you're doing is B, E, B. And that is it. So combine it in with your bass part, you're going to get that as a cycle. Let me explain when you do what parts and vice versa. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick your first note, 7th fret on your A string, then you want your open B, and then your open E, and then you're going to do the same, but this time pick your D string, 5th fret on your D, open B, open E, so you're getting. Okay? Then you're going to go back to that first note, which is the 7th fret on your A string, and you pick a B. So if we split it down into 3 parts, we've got what you're doing then is you're following the first step of just moving the first note down a fret each time, doing exactly the same as what you did on the first bit. So when you put that together, you're going to get this slowly. Like I just did. When you can play it, it's harder to play slow. So full speed. Okay, so you're going to repeat that umpteen times. Then you've got this other part which changes. What's going on there is you're going 4th fret on the A string, open B, open E, then all open, open A, open B, open E, 3rd fret on your E string, the favourite string, again open B, open E, to the 2nd fret, so you're getting 4 on your A, open A, 3rd fret, putting that with the first part. When you repeat, you're going to put that. Then the beauty of this little riff, or whatever you want to call it, is for the next part, it does exactly the same. The only difference is that your bass notes are now, instead of being on 7th fret on your A and 7th fret on your D, they are now on 7th fret on your D and 5th fret on your G. You're going to do exactly the same as what you just did, only everything's down a string. So this time you're going to get again moving back 1 fret in each time. At this point, you're going to do again exactly the same. This time it's 4th fret on your D, open B, open A, and then all open on your D, open D, 3rd fret on your A, and then 2nd fret on your A. So again, every time there you're doing middle finger on your B and ring finger on your E. Put it all together and you get something like this. Sounds great when it drops down. Back to the main riff, it doesn't do it on the record, but I like to slide in, so it gives me quite a nice slide part going on there. So I'm going to do quite a few of these. Any requests, just send them to the page or comment on the videos, anything you want. I will try my hardest to do. Keep safe, stay indoors, and most importantly, keep on rocking. Cheers, guys.